pulpit. Wala na, no? Wala kayong lyrics na. So I can... Sige, let's do it na lang. Hi, everyone. Alright, so on behalf of Brother Erwin and Sister M, despite of this cozy weather, I would like to greet you a very warm welcome to everyone in the name of the Lord Jesus. We are so delighted to have you here at Emperor Event Center as we gather to witness one of life's most beautiful moments, that sacred union of two hearts that is brought together by God. So in just a few moments, we will begin our ceremony. We appreciate your patience here, especially to the sponsors and to those who are part of the entourage. Maraming salamat po. Ngayong malamang sa inyong pakikisa. So once again, we welcome you to a celebration of love, to a celebration of the wedding of Brother Erwin and Sister M at Emperor Event Center. So the ceremony will begin shortly. I hope you can find yourself comfortable despite the rainy weather. Alright. So I believe the coordinator is helping us to prepare the bridal entourage.
God's perfect time brought you me, wrote our love stories so beautifully. Every tear and everything to this day. God's perfect time has found its way.